We all want to live life to the fullest, right? Feeling good is a big part of that. One of the simplest, most delicious ways to take care of yourself is by eating heart-healthy foods. But who has time for complicated recipes after a long day? That's where quick and easy meals come in. We're talking 10 minutes or less, folks. No excuses. In this essay, I'll share 3 of my favorite heart-healthy recipes that are as kind to your schedule as they are to your taste buds. Get ready to nourish your body and soul without spending hours in the kitchen. This vibrant salad is packed with fresh flavors and good-for-you ingredients. It's like a mini vacation for your taste buds, transporting you straight to the Mediterranean. Here's what you need: cooked quinoa, juicy cherry tomatoes, crunchy cucumber, thinly sliced red onion, salty Kalamata olives, crumbled feta cheese, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Simply combine all the ingredients in a bowl, drizzle with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice, toss gently, and sprinkle with feta cheese. That's it. This salad bursts with color and fresh flavors, perfect for a light lunch or a satisfying side dish. Salmon is a true superstar when it comes to heart health, and grilling it is a quick and easy way to bring out its delicious flavor. Grab a salmon fillet, a lemon, some garlic, and your favorite veggies like broccoli and carrots. Season the salmon with a squeeze of lemon juice, minced garlic, salt and pepper. Grill for a few minutes per side until cooked through. While the salmon sizzles, steam the veggies until tender crisp. Plate up the salmon and veggies and dinner is served. This meal is a nutritional powerhouse full of flavor and good fats. This wrap is a fiesta of flavors and textures, and it comes together in a flash. Grab some whole grain tortillas, ripe avocados, canned black beans, baby spinach, and your favorite salsa. Simply mash the avocado with a fork, spread it on the tortillas, layer on the black beans and spinach, add a dollop of salsa, roll it up, and slice it into bite-sized pieces. These wraps are perfect for a quick lunch on the go or a light and satisfying dinner. Section 5: Quick tips for quick meals, because every minute counts. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to prepare healthy meals can be a challenge. But with a few smart strategies, you can whip up nutritious dishes in no time. Want to make healthy eating even easier? It all starts with having the right ingredients and tools at your fingertips. By planning ahead and making smart choices, you can save precious minutes and still enjoy delicious, wholesome meals. Here are a few tips. These simple yet effective strategies will help you streamline your meal prep and make the most of your time in the kitchen. Cook quinoa in bulk at the beginning of the week and store it in the fridge for easy meal prep. Quinoa is a versatile grain that can be used in salads, bowls, and even as a side dish. By having it ready to go, you can quickly assemble a nutritious meal without any hassle. Keep canned beans and pre-washed greens on hand for last-minute meals. Beans are a great source of protein and fiber, and pre-washed greens save you the time and effort of washing and drying them yourself. These ingredients can be easily added to salads, wraps, or stir-fries for a quick and healthy meal. Invest in a good quality grill pan for perfectly cooked salmon every time. A grill pan allows you to cook salmon quickly and evenly, giving it a delicious, smoky flavor. Pair it with some steamed vegetables or a quinoa salad for a complete meal. Don't be afraid to get creative with your wraps. Wraps are a versatile and convenient option for a quick meal. You can fill them with a variety of ingredients, from grilled chicken and veggies to hummus and avocado. Add different veggies, cheeses, or sauces for variety. Experiment with different combinations to keep things interesting and flavorful. Try adding roasted vegetables, feta cheese, or a tangy yogurt sauce for a delicious twist. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little creativity and some smart planning, you can enjoy nutritious meals that are both delicious and easy to prepare. With a little planning and these quick and easy recipes, you can nourish your body and heart in minutes. By dedicating just a small amount of time each week to meal prep, you can set yourself up for success and ensure that you always have healthy options on hand. So go ahead, give these tips a try and see how easy healthy eating can be. Section 6: The goodness of grains. Quinoa, a nutritional powerhouse. Quinoa, pronounced quinoa, is a nutritional powerhouse often mistaken for a grain. It's actually a seed, and a complete protein at that, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. Not only is quinoa packed with protein, but it's also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for a healthy heart, helping to regulate blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. So, next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious alternative to rice or couscous, reach for quinoa. Section 7. Olive oil, liquid gold for your heart. Olive oil, often called liquid gold, is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which is renowned for its heart-healthy benefits. This diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, is complemented perfectly by the inclusion of olive oil. The Mediterranean diet has been linked to numerous health benefits, including a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Olive oil is not just a cooking ingredient, it's a lifestyle choice that promotes overall well-being. Extra virgin olive oil in particular is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining good cardiovascular health. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil contains polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that help combat inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. By incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your diet, you can support your heart health and enjoy a delicious natural product. It's also a good source of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, play a crucial role in preventing chronic diseases and promoting longevity. Drizzle it over salads, and you'll not only enhance the flavor but also boost the nutritional value of your meal. The vibrant taste of olive oil can transform a simple salad into a gourmet experience. Use it as a base for marinades, infusing your dishes with rich, aromatic flavors. Olive oil can be combined with herbs, spices, and citrus to create a versatile marinade that tenderizes and enhances the taste of meats, fish, and vegetables. The possibilities are endless, and the health benefits are undeniable. Or simply dip crusty bread into it. This classic Mediterranean practice is not only a delightful way to enjoy olive oil but also a healthier alternative to butter or margarine. The combination of fresh, crusty bread and high-quality olive oil is a simple pleasure that can be enjoyed at any meal. A little bit of olive oil goes a long way in adding flavor and health benefits to your meals. Whether you're drizzling it over roasted vegetables, adding it to pasta dishes, or using it to finish a soup, olive oil enhances the taste and nutritional profile of your food. Embrace the liquid gold and make it a staple in your kitchen for a healthier, more flavorful diet. Section 8. Omega-3s and steaming supercharging your salmon supper. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. These omega-3s are known to support cardiovascular function, making salmon a top choice for those looking to improve their diet. These healthy fats help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of blood clots. Incorporating salmon into your meals can be a delicious way to boost your intake of these beneficial fats. Grilling salmon is a quick and easy cooking method that helps retain its moisture and flavor. The high heat of the grill sears the outside, locking in the juices and creating a delightful texture. Pair it with steamed veggies to maintain their nutrients and add a burst of color to your plate. Steamed vegetables not only complement the rich taste of grilled salmon but also provide a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. Steaming is a gentle cooking method that helps preserve the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in vegetables. Unlike boiling, which can leach nutrients into the water, steaming keeps the goodness locked in. So, fire up the grill and steam up some veggies for a heart-healthy meal that's ready in minutes. This combination not only tastes great but also supports your overall well-being. Enjoy the vibrant flavors and the peace of mind that comes with eating a nutritious meal. To enhance the flavor of your salmon, consider seasoning it with fresh herbs like dill, parsley, or thyme. A squeeze of lemon can also add a refreshing zest that pairs perfectly with the rich, buttery taste of the fish. Sharing this meal with family and friends can make it even more enjoyable. The combination of grilled salmon and steamed vegetables is not only nutritious, but also a crowd pleaser. It's a simple yet elegant dish that can be prepared quickly, making it perfect for both weeknight dinners and special occasions. Remember, the key to a great salmon supper is in the quality of the ingredients and the care you take in preparing them. Choose fresh, high-quality salmon and crisp, colorful vegetables to ensure the best results. With a little effort, you can create a meal that's both delicious and incredibly good for you. So next time you're planning dinner, think about supercharging your salmon supper. It's a simple, tasty, and nutritious way to support your heart health and delight your taste buds. Enjoy. Section 9. Avocado love, creamy, dreamy, and good for you. Avocados are a unique and delicious fruit that's packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, similar to those found in olive oil. These healthy fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. But avocados are more than just a pretty face. They're also a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamins C, E, and K. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining a healthy heart and overall well-being, so go ahead and indulge in that creamy, dreamy avocado. Your heart will thank you for it. Section 10. Black beans, tiny but mighty legumes. Black beans are a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, fiber, and antioxidants. They're also an excellent source of folate, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar, while potassium helps counteract the negative effects of sodium on blood pressure. Magnesium is crucial for maintaining a regular heartbeat and preventing muscle cramps. Incorporate black beans into your diet for a tasty and nutritious way to boost your heart health. Section 11. Join the healthy eating journey, share, subscribe, and thrive. So there you have it, 3 delicious and heart-healthy meals that you can whip up in 10 minutes or less. Remember, eating for a healthy heart doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. I encourage you to give these recipes a try and share your culinary creations with friends and family. Let's inspire each other to make healthier choices, one delicious meal at a time. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy recipes, helpful tips, and inspiring stories. Let's embark on this journey toward a healthier and happier life together.